Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create neon outline illustration using Color Dodge and Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place my vector illustration on a medium canvas. I duplicate the illustration layer and change the blend mode to Color Dodge, instantly making edges glow. I reduce opacity to maintain control. Next, I add a black mask and hide the glow. Using a small brush, I carefully paint along the outlines where light should naturally glow. I pause frequently, zooming in and out to feel emotional impact and precision. I blur the layers slightly to smooth the glow and create a soft neon effect. I duplicate the glow layer once more for depth, adjusting